Good afternoon, sir. My name is C. Nikhil. I am from EC department. My roll number is 2340180481. My assignment topic is causes of industrial solid waste pollution. Case study: e-waste pollution in Ghee, China. In this slide, I will explain about introduction to industrial solid waste pollution. Industrial solid waste pollution refers to the accumulation of waste materials generated by industrial activities. It includes various materials such as plastics, metals, chemicals, and other byproducts. Understanding the causes of this pollution is crucial for developing effective mitigation strategies. In this slide, I will explain about manufacturing processes. Manufacturing processes generate substantial amount of solid waste as a byproduct. Inefficient production techniques can lead to excessive waste generation, impacting the environment. Industries often overlook waste reduction strategies during their operations. Economic factors. Economic pressures can lead companies to prioritize profit over environmental responsibility. Cost cutting measures may result in reduced investment in waste management practices. Sustainable practices often require upfront investment, which some industries may avoid. In this slide, I will explain about globalization and supply chain complexity. Global supply chains can complicate waste management due to varying regulations across regions. Increased transportation and logistical activities contribute to solid waste production. Simplifying supply chains and adhering to local regulations can help mitigate waste issues. Conclusion and future directions. Addressing industrial solid waste pollution requires a multifaceted approach. Industries must adopt sustainable practices, invest in technology, and comply with regulations. Collaborate efforts between businesses, governments, and consumers are essential for reducing waste pollution. Case study: e-waste pollution in Ghee, China. Ghee is a small town in China, has become infamous as a global epicenter of electronic e-waste processing. Thousands of informal recyclers here dismantle and break down discarded electronics, exposing the local environment and population of toxic substances. The rise of electronic waste. Rapid tech advancements. Consumers rapidly replace electronics, leading to a surge discarded devices. Improper disposal. Much e-waste is shipped to developing nations instead of being properly recycled. Growing environmental threat. E-waste contains hazardous materials that can contaminate the environment if not handled carefully. The e-waste capital of the world. Informal recycling. Ghee's economy is heavily reliant on the unsustainable dismantling of e-waste. Unsafe practices. Workers often use primitive methods, exposing themselves and the environment to toxic materials. Environmental degradation. Soil, water, and air in Ghee have been severely polluted by the e-waste processing. Health risks to the local population. Toxic exposure. Residents, including children, are exposed to lead, mercury, and other hazardous substances from e-waste processing. Respiratory issues. Particulate matter and fumes from burning e-waste can cause respiratory problems like asthma. Neurological impacts. Prolonged exposure to heavy metals can lead to neurological disorders, especially in children. The global trade in e-waste. Developed nations. E-waste is often exported from wealthy nations to avoid the high cost of proper recycling. Developing nations. Poorer countries like China become the destination for the hazardous waste, leading to environmental degradation. Informal recycling. Local populations engaged in informal e-waste recycling, exposing themselves to health risks. Challenges in implementing solutions. Entrenched practices. Informal recycling has been the economic backbone of the GIG for decades, making changes difficult. Lack of resources. Poorer regions like GIG lack the infrastructure and funding to invest in proper e-waste management. Enforcement difficulties. Regulations are challenging to enforce, especially in remote areas. Widespread informal recycling. Conclusion and call to action. The environmental and health crisis in GIG services as a stark reminder of the urgent need to address the global e-waste problem. Through a combination of stronger regulations, international sustainable recycling infrastructure, we can work to protect vulnerability communities and safeguard the planet for future generations. Thank you.